This video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Something Went Wrong error. So if you're having some problems with this, what you can do is you can head over and then go to the actual page right there. Make sure that you're connected to the internet or Wi-Fi or data and you have enough storage or memory available. So it actually depends on what kind of error you're having. You can also try to turn off VPN and log back and log out on your Venmo. Delete the app itself and install it and make sure that your OS is up to date and you meet all requirements for using it. So if you have bad save errors, it may be because Venmo is the one that's experiencing outages and technical issues. So what you can do in this case is to just wait it out. If you have 4000 or 403 errors, you can head over and just try. This log in or sign in your account and only you can log in to Venmo right there. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.